Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be demonstrating how to use Mitsu.gg. This is a new storefront that you can use for your Minecraft server, and it has some really cool features that I will be getting into later on in the video. So, when you first get onto Mitsu.gg, you will see the contact us and the get started page. You're just going to want to click on to get started. Yeah, so you will reach the login page once you have pressed the get started button. You will need to create an account, so you can just press on create account and enter email, password, you know, the bog standard stuff. From there you will click login to dashboard and you will see this page. Now I'm just going to create a new store because you will most likely not have a store, which means that you will come over here, you will put a new store name. I'm just going to put store for video, and once you have put the name and you agree to the terms and privacy policy, you can select a picture. I'm not going to do it for now, but you can just create a store and it should reach you to this page right here. Your store will be hosted on Mitsu, however you can enter your own domain name and connect it up. But yeah, so you're gonna wanna just so you will have today's sales, and total orders. You will have statistics for your store right here, recent orders and top packages. Whatever you have for top packages will be, well, you know, the package that sells the most, and recent orders is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, then we move on to settings. This is where you have, well, your general design of your website and whatnot. So right over here you can click to edit your description. So you can put, for example, hello, this is a test. No, it went back to capitals. Yeah, so you can put, for example, hello, this is a test, and then you can just save the changes, and now on your website it will say hello, this is a test. So over here you can edit the title, and this is where you can put the name of your Minecraft server. So you can put test, so you can put test server, and you can save those changes. What you can then do is you can do to background color, and we can choose any color that we want for the appearance of our store. So in this case I'm gonna go with we'll go for white just for now, why not? And the background pattern you can go for, well, you can do a background pattern whatever you want. Obviously at the end of the day it is up to your preference. Then you can go onto payments, where you can connect your Stripe account to receive payments. Now currently there is only Stripe, but as far as I'm aware there will be PayPal support soon. It is going to be in the next update. You can also put a support email, so support email at yourserver.com or .net, whatever your email is, and your support hours, so 1 PM to 2 PM daily. Why not? Then you can save these changes and you should be able to now click onto Discord. This is where you can connect your store with Discord to manage integrations. So as you can see, I already have the bot connected to mine, and I can already select all sorts of servers and other funky stuff. And on here, all you can do is you can basically chat kind of off the Mitsu bot. I can cover this in another video. This is a bit more difficult to start off with. It's not very difficult, but I'm not going to be covering it in this video because we want to go to the main things, which are packages. Packages are essentially the products themselves. So you can create a category. Test. You can create that right here. So you can create a category. Let's do in this one, hello there. Yeah, so once you have your category, you can create a package, and here you can name your package. So we're just going to name this Unban, for example. You can sell Unban, you can sell whatever you want. The category would be test, and the price would be, oh, you just put in the price that you would like. You can do multi-time purchase as well, which allows people to purchase it more than once. And then you can go into description. Oh, sorry, just one more thing. Say you want to buy like 10 claim blocks, for example, but you actually need 20, you can buy both of them, basically, so you can purchase the same package more than once at the same time. Then you can come over to the description, where you can put, "This will unban you," for example. You can customize this to your liking. And then actions, you can run a command directly. Now currently I have no server added, but you can do, we will do unban, and I recommend using player ID, but player name will work just fine for whatever command you want to run. This works the same with ranks. You will do LP editor, and then you will do the player name, promo, and then the rank. But right, then you can create your package, and the unban will now be sold on our store. So that is how you create a package. The next thing I will cover is promotions. You can create all sorts of things. You can create sales, coupons, gift card. So let's start off with a gift card. Test card. We will name this the test card. Okay, and now we have reached the code, which you can put whatever code you want for the gift card. Personally, if you want to do this on a large scale or with multiple people, I would not just put any code. I would leave it blank to get a randomly generated code, because it will be safer, just in case people try to guess it or things like that, you know. And now you should be able to go to gift cards, and your gift card will be created. You will just send this code, and this can be applied at checkout. The next thing is a coupon. This is basically just a discount. We'll name this test count code, leave it blank, and the coupon will be available from this date to that date, for example 000. You know, you get the basic. You can just put whatever time you want, and then you should be able to continue. Or maybe not. Oh, PM. Ah, right, okay, sorry, that's my bad. So you can just do 12 PM. There you go. Coupon target, you can select this for whatever you want, so you can do it for anything on the store. You can do it for specific categories or specific packages. We're just going to do it for the whole store for this sake of the video. And you will click create. Now once you have done that, you will pick the Now once you have done that, you will choose how to do it. So you can either deduct the amount from the package price or deduct a % off the package price. So in this case, we're just going to do a price. We're just going to deduct 7. Anything. Then we'll be finished. And the last thing is a sale. The sale works the same way. You can drop a name, test sale. It will start at this date, and we're just going to do 10 PM, 10 AM. There you go, and you have now done it. You can now continue. And from here, you can once again do anything on the store, specific categories or packages. We're going to do it this time for the store once again. And the type of sale will be a percentage. It will be a 69% sale. There, all beautifully done. Or actually, wait, no. We're going to do it. Oh yeah, once you create it, you can't change it. That's okay. But right, so as you can see, this is now the promotions covered. And now you move on to servers, which is basically where you can just add a game server. You will press on the plugin that I just pressed. You will download this, and once you have downloaded it, you will add it to your Minecraft server and you will link it up via a command. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna cover it in this video, but it is very simple to do. You simply download it, plugins folder, restart, do Mitsu link, and it will give you instructions from there. Now, the last thing is my personal favorite thing about this whole thing. Now, the last part is the appearance. This is my favorite part of this website, which makes it really stand out from other web stores. So you can come onto here, onto the developers page, and you can take full control of your store's design by editing the front end code. You can customize anything. So you have pages, you can change your 404 page if you really please. You can do absolutely whatever you want. Now, the only rule with this is you cannot delete the Mitsu footer. This is basically, I will show you guys. Okay, so with the developers thing, you obviously have to keep the footer there on the website, and no, you cannot change that, because obviously that is how they promote themselves for the store. So store.mitsu.gg/test, and as you can see, once we hit the website, we'll reach the test server. This is everything that I've created so far. You can go into the test category and you can see the unban. You can view the package and some other descriptions and everything else that we've done. It will take about 1 to 5 minutes. Shouldn't take any longer than that to receive a product. And the good thing is it also tells you the package ID, which I don't know why you need it, but yeah. So now we're going to go back to the store, and I'm going to present on my current store and what you can really take control of with the whole appearance page. So with my appearance, it is already linked to my store, but I'm pretty sure I can still do Star MC. Should work anyway. Yeah, so this is what I have personally made. My server is Space Theme, so I obviously made it purple. Now, mine's not fully finished, but you can add all sorts of things. Like, for example, I added my staff team. I added join our Discord button. And then, obviously, all of my ranks. And all of the other goodies as well, such as punishments. You can buy an unban. Don't ask why I sell those. Claim blocks, which I haven't done, and crystals, which I also haven't done. So that is basically how you use Mitsu. It is very simple to use, and I highly recommend it because it is 100% free, and the only thing is it will take a 5% commission on anything that you make, which is honestly fair, because even if you don't make anything for a whole month, you still get to have your store up. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want to see more videos about Mitsu and more things in detail, please do let me know, and hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.